Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be starting chapter 10 of 11th class Polity NCERT Political Theory books development. So chapter 10 of this NCERT class 11 political theory textbook examines the complex and evolving concept of development. It discusses how development has been understood, the challenges associated with its dominant models and alternative ideas that have emerged. The concept of development, aspiration for a better life. In the broadest sense, development refers to the ideas of progress, improvement, and well being. Political independence and development. The concept gained prominence in the mid 20th century as newly independent nations in Asia and Africa faced pressing issues like poverty, malnutrition, and unemployment. For them, development meant overcoming underdevelopment and achieving economic and social progress. Early models. Initially, many of these countries focused on modernization and catching up with Western world, relying on strategies like rapid industrialization, large-scale projects, and technological advancements. India's approach. After independence, India pursued development through 5-year plans which included mega projects like dams and steel plants. The strategy aimed to boost the economy with the hope that prosperity would trickle down to the poorest sections of society. Criticisms of dominant development models. The top-down, state-driven model of development has faced significant criticism for its high social and environmental costs. Social costs, displacement of people. Major development projects such as dams and mining operations have led to the mass displacement of local communities and tribals who often lose their land and traditional way of life. Loss of culture and livelihood. For displaced people, relocation means the loss of their community, culture, and skills, leading to impoverishment. Increased inequality. The benefits of these projects have often gone to the already privileged, while the most vulnerable bear the heaviest cost. The intended trickle down effect has not always been successful. Environmental costs, ecological degradation. The high cost, technology driven model has caused widespread environmental damage, including deforestation, air and water pollution, and the depletion of natural resources. Climate change, a reliance on non renewable energy sources has exacerbated issues like global warming and climate change, with long term consequences for everyone. Disproportionate impact. The poor are often the most affected by environmental degradation, such as when deforestation makes firewood scarce or depleted groundwater forces women to travel farther for water. Alternatives to the dominant model. The critics of traditional development models have led to a re-evaluation of what constitutes genuine progress and the search for more equitable and sustainable approaches. Beyond economic growth, there is a growing consensus that development should not be measured solely by economic indicators. A country's growth rate does not guarantee a fair distribution of benefits or an improved quality of life for all its citizens. Alternative measures, alternative metrics such as Human Development Index published by the UNDP rank countries based on social indicators like life expectancy, literacy, and education levels. Human needs approach. The concept has evolved to focus on improving the quality of life for all people by ensuring the satisfaction of essential needs like food, education, and health. Gandhian approach. Mahatma Gandhi offered an alternative to the Western model, distinguishing between economic and real development. For him, real development was about happiness, harmony, and meeting essential needs, not just material advancement. Sustainable development. This approach emphasizes meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Democratic participation. In a democracy, decisions about development should involve the people they affect most. Decentralized planning and local level decision making are seen as ways to ensure that projects are more relevant and beneficial to communities. Conclusion. The chapter concludes that the pursuit of development involves making choices that have a profound impact on humanity and the wider ecosystem. A better understanding of the concept requires a move away from narrow, economic focused goals towards a more holistic, equitable, and sustainable vision that benefits all sections of society. So, guys, let's have a look at what the chapter all about. This is the overview of this chapter, then introduction, then the challenge of development, then this cartoon. If this project comes up, we will be finished. Criticisms of development models. Let's do it section for you guys. Please do attempt it and answer this question in the comment section below. Social costs of development, environmental costs of development. Ken Saro Viva. So you can see how he protested against one anti-environmental act and how he was punished later on. Environmentalism, assessing development. Let's think section for you guys. Please answer it in the comment section below. Alternative conceptions of development. Let's do it section for you guys. Answer this in the comment section below. Then right claims. Let's debate section. Democratic participation. Let's think section. This is a Narmada Bachao Andolan one. Wait. Development and lifestyle. Conclusion. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much.